Okay, this video is going to show you how to program your HomeLink Remote with a 2015 Porsche 911 to a Genie Screw Drive garage door opener. Okay, so the first thing you do is you have to get into your car. Go to your remotes, or to the HomeLink remotes. The car has to be on the on position, but not turned on, and the blinkers cannot be on. Then you have to put one finger on the one with the 1 dash and the other finger on the one with the 2 dash to clear all the other codes. Hold that for approximately 20 seconds. And the next step is we will program the... Okay, once that blinks, they've been cleared. Now I'm going to program the first button for my first garage door. So I'm going to go ahead and press button 1 until the light turns on. So now I have actually 5 minutes until I can finish this job. They give you 5 minutes, Porsche. They know a lot of old guys like me have these, so they give you a little extra time. Then you come around here, and what I want you to do is watch the blinkers here, because the blinkers are going to go once this has taken the programming. I'm basically holding the remote in front of the car, waiting for those blinkers. There goes. There goes the blinkers. Okay, that's the first step. Now for a lot of models, that will be the only step you have to do, and it will be working. I'm going to open the garage door back up because for this model, there is a second step that we have to do because this is a rolling code garage door opener, which I guess is a little bit more secure, but it's a bit of a pain to program. So now the next step to programming this, to finish this, is you have to go back up to the unit. This is for the rolling code units. This is a Genie Pro screw drive unit. And I'm going back up to the unit here. Put this plug in the way so you can't see very good. I'm going to press the learning button till the button's flashing. It's hard to see, but that button is flashing. This one I only have 30 seconds for. So I got to kind of hustle back here. So the next step is we've programmed that first button for the first part of it. Now we have to do the second part, which is fairly simple. All I have to do is press this button once, press it again for the rolling code. There it goes. Boom. Garage door opens and garage door closes. Simple as that. Hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.